Still using the same password for everything? What if someone could hack your whole life in one click? Today, let's talk about Bitwarden, a secure, open-source password manager that's giving serious competition to NordPass, LastPass, and Passbolt. Bitwarden is an open-source password manager that stores your passwords, credit cards, and notes safely in an encrypted vault, accessible across all your devices. It uses end-to-end encryption, meaning your data is encrypted on your device before it's sent anywhere. You only need to remember one thing: your master password. Whether you're a student juggling logins, a freelancer managing clients, or a business owner, Bitwarden works for everyone. It autofills your logins, generates strong passwords, and even lets you safely share credentials with teammates or family. Now let's compare Bitwarden with some of the top password managers: NordPass, LastPass, and Passbolt. NordPass is fast and simple, backed by NordVPN, but Bitwarden wins on transparency and open source trust. Plus, Bitwarden's free plan offers more features. LastPass is popular, but after multiple security breaches, users lost confidence. Bitwarden, being open source, lets anyone verify its security, no hidden code. Passbolt is great for developers and teams, but Bitwarden's interface is easier for everyday users, and works across browsers, phones, and extensions seamlessly. No tool is perfect. With Bitwarden, if you forget your master password, your vault can't be recovered. And while it's secure, setup might feel technical for beginners. In short, Bitwarden is one of the most trusted and affordable password managers out there, secure, private, and open for everyone to see how it works. Want to secure your digital life? Try Bitwarden. It's free, private, and built for your safety. Your digital life deserves real security. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity tips. Stay safe, stay smart.